How to change your phone number available if you have added any of the phone number to your Facebook account, how you can simply change or update it. To update it, you have to open the Facebook website or the Facebook official application here on your PC, and then what you have to do is mainly click on your profile option that is from the left or the right top of the screen. Simply click on account section and then go to the setting and privacy of this, then click on setting again. After this, it will redirect you to your profile setting where you can set up all your profile details and your data. Now, here's an option to simply add or update your personal details. You have to click on see more and do it simply from this menu. Here in the personal details, you will see whenever you will click on the personal detail option, you will see that there is contact information on the top of the screen. You should click on it and then click on add a new contact or simply click on a previously added contact to remove it. Whenever you will click, you will see the second option called delete this number from your account. You can simply click it and the number will be deleted successfully. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates, videos and reviews like this.